Welcome back to the channel. We are now on the way to the Nürburgring car park, TF car park, and the reason for this is because we have helped to facilitate an event for Carly. Now by we, I mean 3MD. There's Maggie already waiting. So I go jump out. See you in a bit. Thanks, Pablo. Ciao. 3MD, you've seen already the website link in the video description where we sold merch. We had also the track walks, the helicopter rides, all kinds of activities, but we also do lots of like project management for other companies, B2B. So if you want to have a group event at the Nürburgring, reach out to us. We can help you out. So earlier today, the guys from Carly had event at the Lindner Hotel. Without Maggie.
Yes.
Because Maggie used to work at the bar and everyone is missing her from what I've heard. And now everyone is going for some taxi laps with our partners, Ring Taxi. So excited to see them hop in. Where is everyone?
There.
There. Hey. How's everyone doing? Hi, Misha, nice to meet you. Hi, Misha, nice to meet you. Hi, nice to meet you.
I am the cameraman now.
That's right, yeah.
It reminds me of the Apex vibes. Yeah. Taxi going, customers coming back, customers coming in. Have fun.
I think you know my friend Tim.
Which one? Oh yeah.
I film with him sometimes.
Oh nice, very cool.
He told me to say hi.
Oh yeah, please say hi back. And that he needs to come soon this year again.
I will, I'll
I mean, yeah. M5 CS. How was it? Good?
It's fun, man.
Nice. Glad you liked it. Happy?
Yes.
Very good.
What's the best thing that you've driven around here, in your opinion?
This.
Okay, fair enough. Fair enough.
Yeah, GT3 RS is right now just simply the best thing made for the ring. It's not the most emotional thing, but it's the best thing. Yeah. It makes going fast very easy. It's a cheat code. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, any GT3 RS is great. I like the 996 gen as well. It's really like raw and proper.
Thank you so
awesome.
much.
Thank you guys.
Cheers.
Thank you guys.
Nice
Hope you had fun. Nice to meet you. Hi.
Hey mate, I'm a big fan of you.
Thank you.
Can I get a picture?
Yeah, sure.
Every day I stop what I'm doing to watch your video.
Thank you.
Good to meet you, mate.
Nice
Keep
to meet
up
you
the
guys.
good work.
Yeah, thank you.
Cheers, buddy.
Thank you guys. Nice to meet you. Nice laps. Good fun with Cosworth.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Looked nice.
Yeah, it was good fun. Fully stock car. Fully stock. Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. And yours done anything to it?
A little bit.
Yeah.
The brakes were the first thing.
Yeah, but a bit of more power, or is it stock?
No, it's stock.
But those are my favorite. This generation is my absolute favorite.
Yeah, I heard you say that on your channel.
Yes. Very nice.
I was just writing to you, but flabbergasted to meet you here.
Yeah, so when we drove the Escort RS Cosworth, yeah, I need to pronounce the name correctly, this Fiesta ST was following us for almost the whole lap, so it was good fun. Yeah, traditional car spotting that I wanted to do since I'm here anyway, and I'm not that often in the car park anymore. What do we have? Well, Fiesta ST 90, we have a Clio, very nice. I love this Gen Clio, one either 72 or 82. Look at that Mark IV Golf. Fantastic, beautiful. Is it the AXZ engine? So it's like what? Diesel? Probably? Is it? Or is it AXR? I forgot my Golfs. I forgot my PDs. What else do we have? It's kind of empty. Kind of very empty. See ya. Nice. Hey, nice to meet you.
Yeah, brilliant.
Hi. Awesome. Thank you guys. Have a good time. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Nice to meet you.
Yeah, nice to meet you guys.
Cheers.
Yeah, see you. Bye-bye. The Fiesta ST driver said that he also has Bilstein V16 suspension on it. That's why he could keep up with us in the rain. Yeah. Bilstein is actually very good in terms of because it's softer than any other track coilover, and it's very good for the ring, and especially good for the wet because it allows some extra stability on the bumpy surfaces, and especially in the wet where you need a bit of more control. Should we check out what's happening at the closed Devil's Diner? Doesn't look closed, to be honest, but... Look, an updated car spotting. We have a G80 M3, we have G87 M2. It's good?
Crazy, that one.
Good.
Worse than the first.
Nice. Yeah.
That was awesome.
Yeah, well, you can smell the tires and brakes, so that's good.
Everybody happy? Fantastic. Should we get like a group picture in front of like here the Nürburgring?
Yeah, that'd be cool.
And then we'll drive you guys back to the hotel.
Yeah, sounds perfect.
All right, let's go. Yay! Taxi laps, Nürburgring! Woo! Thank you.
All right, awesome. Nice. Let's go.
Look at how fast they move.
What, the clouds?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought E36s.
Not yet.
Oh, so much space. So much space. Fantastic. Take me to the finest aerodynamic establishment, Jenkins.
Oh, who sits here?
Me. I sleep.
Yeah, I take a nap.
I take a nap right here. I put. Look.
Even with the nap, look how much space there is in the
Maggie's
for the
gonna
legs.
make you something to make you feel good.
All right, girls.
Oh, hello.
You want some private time?
Oh, it's all the way down your
Yeah,
ass.
yeah.
Diana says one too.
Oh, it's on my ass now.
What kind of massage? Oh, you're going for the deep massage.
Can you say something that I can put in the vlog?
Sorry, no.
And fast forward back to Vulcan Alpha, and that's kind of the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Massive thank you to Carly for their trust. I hope they have enjoyed their event, but seeing the smiling faces, I think they have. Again, if you want to do something at the Nürburgring, reach out to us. Not at Vulcan Alpha, but at 3MD, pretty much the same people, just two different companies, two different services. Yeah, looking forward to be doing more cool stuff, and looking forward to seeing you in tomorrow's video where, look at that. What is that? What is that? What is that? Another lap timing records car spotting video. So stay tuned for that. Thanks for watching. Bye.